Part 8 in the context of ISO 19650. Looking at this in more detail in ISO 19650, we have the Project Information Standard. This is where it should be stated that IFC will be used on the project as that consistent information layer. Starting with the purpose, an exchange information requirement is defined. This could be, for example, asset management for a client or planning construction works or costing for a contractor. The pieces of unstructured and structured information which are needed to fulfill these purposes are specified across the different layers, and for structured information by the level of information need framework, which breaks the information down into its component parts. For the structured information, the model view definition needs to be stated, which provides the relevant data structure to exchange and deliver the information using software. There is no getting away from this. We're going to have to delve into the world of data models and schemas to help with this. These requirements are handed over or exchanged to those who will deliver the actual information. It's now the turn of the delivery side to work out how they're going to provide it in terms of the who, when and how. A big part of this is looking at the layers of information from a container perspective and the strategy around this, taking into account responsibility, program and software. They will produce unstructured and structured information deliverables, including IFC models in accordance with the correct MBD, which contains only the relevant information as per the EIR. This is then issued back to complete the information exchange, where it is checked against the original requirements. Because the original requirements were defined using IFC and the delivered information is received using IFC, this information is much easier to check automatically. And that concludes this basic guidance. My name is Emma Hooper and I'm a Digital Information Specialist at Bond Digital. I love information and I'm fascinated by the mechanics of it and how it all joins together to make patterns. On construction projects, I'm an information manager, but I do a lot of other things as well, including leading the IFC and COVI workstream at the BIM Interoperability Expert Group on behalf of the Centre of Digital Built Britain.